Hey, happy Friday, everyone. Hope you are doing well. It is a beautiful day here in San Diego. It did rain last night. We had kind of like monsoonal rains. It's a little humid, or somewhat humid, I should say. But it is a beautiful day, and it's Friday, so the weekend is here, right around the corner, and the work week is over. It's the last day of the work week, and this is In the Raw, unscripted, unpracticed, unedited conversation. And we've been talking about the Bible and science and how the Bible um, supports scientific discoveries and how scientific discoveries are found in the Bible. And today I want to talk about genetics. And the Bible does talk about genetics. The Bible reflects an understanding of the genetic code needed for replication of life and the propagation of different species, which what was later discovered as DNA. DNA is that code that we all have, any living thing has, and it has that all that information that says who we are, who our characteristics, and it in that code. So fascinated in that code, microscopic code. There's information. It's kind of like a chip that tells this is how tall or short I'm going to be. This is the color of hair I'm going to have. This is the color of eyes I'm going to have. This is my skin color. This is the characteristics that I will display, that I will have, the personality. And that's true for any living thing. And the Bible talks about this, and it also talks about DNA being specific to each kind. So Genesis 1:11-12 says, "And God said, let the land produce vegetation, seed-bearing plants and trees on the land that bear fruit with seed in it, according to their various kinds." According to their various kinds. And it was so. The land produced vegetation, plants bearing seed according to their kinds, and trees bearing fruit with seeds in it according to their kinds. And God saw that it was good. So what he's saying here is, excuse me, what the Bible is saying here is that every living thing has its own kind of code. In other words, you cannot take the DNA of an apple and put it together with the DNA of, let's say a cherry tree, and you're going to get some kind of a hybrid fruit. It's not possible. Every different living species has its own kind of DNA. You can't put a human DNA and put it together with let's say an elephant and create something between a cross between those two. It just doesn't happen, and the Bible says it. Genesis 1:27-28. So God created mankind in his own image. In the image of God he created them, male and female he created them. God blessed them and said to them, be fruitful and increase in number. I think this is fascinating because God created male and female, right? Two different beings of the same species that are able to procreate, right, and exchange their DNA. And Psalms 139:13-16 says, "For you created my inmost being. You knit me together in my mother's womb. I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful. I know that full well. My frame was not hidden from you when I was made in the secret place, when I was woven together in the depths of the earth. Your eyes saw my unformed body, All the days ordained for me were written in your book before one of them came to be." So, God talks about, or the Bible talks about, and God through the Bible talks about genetics and how we are all different species, and we all have this incredible information that will make us who we are. The DNA makes a strawberry plant what it is. DNA makes a dog what it is. DNA makes, um, a tree, one of those big sequoia trees, what it is. And you cannot put it together, so this is very, very interesting in how the Bible talks about genetics in this way. All right, well, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Today, Friday, it's morning time for me, so I still have my day ahead of me, and I hope you have an amazing weekend. We'll talk to you soon.